Richard Herman, may I ask you, I'm sure you've got a rough estimate as to how many murder cases you've tried.
Several, Nancy. How many death penalty cases have you tried?
Oh, well, being in the Atlanta Special Prosecution Division for a decade, I got to work on quite a few murder and death penalty cases. But my point is, Richard, have you ever tried a murder case where crime scene photos did not come in? That's a yes or no answer.
The judge has to make a determination whether the prejudice outweighs the probative value.
Okay.
And here,
I'll
I
ask
think it's a
Stacey,
mistake.
since you don't want to answer. Yeah. Have you ever tried a murder case where crime scene photos did not come in? Ever? Once?
Crime scene photos always come in.
No, I'm asking Herman. Herman, answer.
Yes, they come in, but not to this extent and not to this extent of the testimony.
You've never tried a homicide case ever where the crime scene photos did not come in. You know what? I'm just a JD, a lawyer. I'm not an MD. I don't know how to pull teeth. Another thing that has happened, Lee Anthony back on the stand, and he tells the story of Top Mom completely revamping her story about how Kelly went missing. First of all, her first story to him, her own brother, was that she dropped Kelly off at Sawgrass Apartments with the nanny and then was never seen again. Man, look at how he is aged in the past couple of years since Kelly went missing. Now, he tells the jury that in August, a new story emerges, and that is that the nanny and her sister hold Tot Mom down physically at a public park, J. Blanchard Park, and yank the child away because she, Tot Mom, has been a bad mommy. So now they're holding her down in a public park, taking the child. That should have been a wake-up call to everybody.
You know, Nancy, another act of desperation by the prosecution with a week to go, proving she's a liar, putting on shoddy forensic evidence, and inflaming this jury and prejudicing this jury by this gruesome testimony, which will probably, that along with Dr. Voss, will probably get reversible error if she gets convicted, is just an act of desperation. They have not tied Casey into this crime scene. They will not be able to link her to this, and there is no cause of death. That is highly significant.